Welcome to Amaya channel. We are continuing the question what we were doing in the previous session. So now look here, beta transitivity condition. I think I have to explain one more time because I think it will not. It is not clear to you. So one more time I'm explaining. Now look here. Understand one thing, beta. Is the case of odd minus odd will come even. Even plus even is coming even minus even is coming even. Now beta, here what you have to do is, here you have to tell that keep two numbers are present. So for transitivity, beta, that can be any number. Transitivity, see, for if I will go more precisely, I will tell for symmetry also that if I am taking A and B, both A and B should be either even or odd. Okay, why? Because even minus even will give you even. Okay, and odd minus odd will give you even. So if A will be odd, then B will also be odd. Then odd minus odd will give you even. Then B minus A, it will come even. So beta, there also two case will be there. Okay, symmetry also. But see, symmetric condition, if you want, you can explain there also. Taking A and B both odd, taking A and B both even. Okay, so when you will take A and B both odd and both even, then beta A minus B will be coming even, and for odd case, and A minus B will come even for what you call even case. So symmetry also you have to change like that. Fine. So symmetry also you can give one clause there. So same way beta, when you will be talking about transitivity, it is totally based on your presentation. What I did is for symmetry, I self perceive that odd minus odd is there and even minus even is there. So, but for when you are writing an exam for children, it is advice. I am giving you an advice because most of the case, most of the time in books, they are not giving for symmetry. They are more concerned about transitivity because for transitivity, you have to deal with three numbers. For transitivity, how many numbers you have to deal with? Three digits like A, B, C you are taking, A, B, B, C and AC. So there C must be satisfying the condition. For that, we are relating A and B nicely. Okay. And for symmetry, self-understood part is there. But beta, if you really want to score good marks, then there in symmetry also explain A, B both odd, AB both even, because odd minus odd even, even minus even is even. Understood? Understood. For here transitivity beta, one more time I am explaining transitivity concept. So what we have done for transitivity, we will do everything same. If AB is belonging to R and BC is belonging to R, that means what beta? For all ABC belongs to A, then A minus B is even and B minus C is even. Okay, now beta, most important problem here that A minus B is even, B minus C is even, then we can self-perceive that A minus C is also even. Beta, because 4 minus 2, you are telling even. So now 2 minus 2 is 0, even. So that means 4 minus 2 again is coming as even. You take three numbers and in a sequence you subtract it, then it will come even. But beta, I told you one very important point that we need odd numbers. I'll show you the sequence of the numbers, how the sequence of the number will go. 6 minus 2, so if I'm taking 6 and 10, 10 and 12 and 6 and 12, so beta 6 minus 10 will come minus 4, which is even. 10 minus 12 is minus 2, which is even. Now 6 minus 12 is minus 6, which is again even. So it is fulfilling transitivity condition. But here beta, what A, B and C you took, all numbers are exactly even. Now next case for odd. Then take three odd numbers. 3, 5, 7. 3 minus 5 minus 2 even, 5 minus 7 minus 2 which is again even, then 3 minus 7 is minus 4 which is again even. So beta one time exactly we have to tell them one very important thing, that ABC what you are taking, that will be exactly either all ABC odd, all ABC even, then only transitivity condition will be satisfied. Are you understanding this part beta? Means ABC what you are taking, it will be either odd, all three even. For symmetry also, all two odd, all two even. But symmetry, two numbers are there, so we are just perceiving and we are doing like that. We are not explaining more. But for transitivity, it's a case of three element, so definitely we will be taking it nicely. Till now, you have understood or not this part? So what we are doing is, we are very cleverly taking B, any one element we have taken, that okay, let us assume only B is odd, let us assume let B is even. Okay, so let us assume, so let B is odd and let B is even. Now beta, already for transitivity, you know that first two conditions are satisfying. And with the help of these two conditions, you have to tell that third is also satisfied. So first two is already satisfying. And in that already satisfying situation, you have taken B as odd. So if B is odd, that means what beta? A minus B is divisible by 2. B minus C is divisible by 2. So I'm adding, that means A is odd and C also is odd. So modulus of A minus C is even. Okay, we have to check even. I am writing divisible by 2 is even. So A minus C will also become even. Now Pritika understood beta. Maheshwal understood. Anish, Harnibala understood beta this part. It is very important. That's why I've explained in simple. All three, A, B, C. If one is even, all will be even. But beta for transitivity, A comma B already related, B comma C already related. So if B you are taking odd, then ultimately because it is satisfying relation, so A will automatically become odd. Okay. Now check for B even case. These are very important conditions to understand better. Once you will understand this, now take your time and understand, because then in board exam, it will be very easy for you. So now B is even. So definitely A minus B is even. By this condition, A minus B is already even. Therefore, B minus C is also even by that condition. So if A minus B is even, B minus C is even, that means what beta? A is even and C is even. That means what beta? A is even, therefore A is even. And also C is even. So here A is also even and C is also even. Therefore A minus C is even. Hence okay, therefore it is an equivalent solution. They told to check equivalent solution now. Therefore Now, beta, second part of the question is very important to understand first. Second part is telling, show that the elements are related to each other and all element of 2, 4 are related to each other. That means, beta, if A you are considering as 1, 3, 5, then A is related to itself. That means A cross A will be there. Okay, so if A cross A will be there, then 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5 will be there. Okay, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5 will be there. 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5 will be there. Now, beta, whatever element you are seeing inside A cross A, all are odd. And beta, if you will subtract it, 3 minus 1, what you will be getting? 2, which is even. So, all are satisfying the condition or not? Tell me. All are satisfying the condition or not? Just tell me, because they're telling that show that the element of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and element of 2, 4 are related to each other. Just tell me, you've understood or not. But are related to each other means to itself related. So here all the elements are itself related. 1 comma 1 is reflexive and 1 minus 1 is even. 1 comma 3 is reflexive. So 3 comma 1 is even. 1 comma 5 is reflexive. So 5 comma 1 is even. So beta here 1 A cross A is exactly coming all satisfying condition. So it will exactly be satisfying equivalence relation. So yes, you can write after this. Representing is your representation is in your hand. So you can say that all the element in A cross A, all the elements present in A cross A is satisfying the relation. Now beta, next one is 2 comma 4. So let B is equal to 2 comma 4. Now what will be the elements coming for B cross B beta? 2 2 2 4, 4 2 4 4. Now you give me answer. Is it satisfying the relation? All the elements of B cross B is exactly can be present? Yes or no? Tell me. You itself tell me, beta. Yes, all the elements it is satisfying, beta, because it is reflexive also, it is transitive also, and it is symmetric also. So all the elements, again same statement you write here, in B cross B is satisfying the relation. Okay, so all the elements in B cross B is satisfying the relation. R is equal to this bracket, A minus B is even. I hope everybody understood. But beta, last one is telling that, but no element of this is related to 2 comma 4. 100% it will not be satisfying. So we have to represent it. We cannot leave it in between. We have to represent the case, beta. So how we are going to represent it? I'm removing this section to represent that part. So for case third, what they have given, for this case, Vishika, what happened, beta? Is it going to satisfy, Vishika? Beta, when you will be writing A cross B, what element will be coming? 1 2 1 4, 3 2 3 4, 5 2 5 4. Okay. Now, beta, 1 minus 2 will become minus 1, which is not belonging to even number. Oh, there is a power cut in the block. Oh, ho, ho. Now look here, beta. I'll try to finish it fast. So, beta, that means what? Is it going to satisfy the condition, beta? Okay, 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 Maheshwar. I'll try to finish it fast, beta. So that means none of this will satisfy all the elements. Now, I hope you might have understood how to prove it for beta for symmetry also. Try to write that A and B means relation already given that AB belongs to R. So if relation given AB belongs to R, then both AB will be either odd or both AB will be either even. Okay. So that in that part you just add that statement. If you will add that statement, because I have told that but I have not written that, so you just add that statement, odd minus odd is even, even minus even is even. So whatever AB will be, it may both be either odd, both be either even, then only it will satisfy the condition. So I hope you might have understood how to solve these questions, beta. Understood this question? Okay, beta. So tomorrow what we are going to do is we will solve a question which came 3 times in CBSE, that is 2010, 2018 and 2019. So from tomorrow, all CBSE most important. Today also what I solved is 2009 question and I'm explaining it. That's why it is taking a bit late because I have to explain it. You are going to write board exam. I cannot be so fast because I have understood the concept, but I want my child to also understand the concept. Okay, beta. Bye for now. We will meet tomorrow again. And just give me live session timing so that I can keep the live session at that time. Thank you, beta, for joining the session. Bye, everyone. Bye, Anish. Bye, Harish. Bye, Maheshwal, Pritika, everyone. Bye, beta. Bye, Vishega.